Hi, Baltimore. Welcome to the BUGSS Lab. We've had a massive start to the year, from professional research to kid-friendly workshop. These are your lab notes. We kicked things off with our January open house, followed by a science slam at the Enoch Pratt Library. We hosted local scientists who had just 5 minutes to explain their complex work to a general public audience. From 4-H robotics to the latest in laser science, these speakers proved that high-level science belongs to everyone. It's all about a little bit of friendly competition. We host these events quarterly, so make sure to check out our Eventbrite to register. Speaking of competition, the road to the iGEM Jamboree in Paris has officially begun. We recently held our information session for the 2026 iGEM team. iGEM is a premier global synthetic biology competition. Our community team, the Baltimore BioCrew, is recruiting members for their 2026 team. High schoolers and mentors will gather in the lab from March to October to design, build, and test biotech solutions that solve real-world problems. Last year's team did incredible work using bacteria to detect triple-negative breast cancer faster, and this year's project is still in the early stages, but will shape up to be even more ambitious. Stay tuned. But our science education efforts aren't only reserved to high schoolers. We recently invited our youngest innovators ranging from ages 7 to 12 to learn more about tackling the plastic crisis. In our algae string workshop, kids use alginate, a natural polymer from seaweed, to create algae string. By dropping the algae gel into a calcium bath, they watched a chemical reaction happen in real time, turning liquid into a solid biodegradable material. And for the serious bioenthusiasts, our How to Grow Almost Anything course is in full swing. This is a global course taught with pioneers from MIT and Harvard, with hubs all across the world, from Latin America to here in Baltimore. Our students are learning all about the biological world, from DNA sequencing to protein design and even CRISPR. The course runs until May, so make sure to check out what our participants get up to. It's been a busy few months and we're just getting started. If you want to learn, experiment, or just see what's going on in the lab, check out our upcoming events on Eventbrite or fill out our volunteer form to get involved. See you in the lab.